So we just started the Cinder Cone Trail. It is a 4-mile loop with about 850 feet of elevation gain. It is 7:30 a.m. We're trying to get an early start on the day. We usually do whenever we're gonna be doing hikes or anything in the national park, really. But we didn't realize it was nearly an hour drive. So we got here a little later than we wanted, but from the looks of it, there's not many people out here yet. So hopefully it'll be just us.
This trail is marked as strenuous in the visitor center guide paper, but it says it's moderate on the trailhead board, so we'll see.
I guess we will find out. So the Cinder Cone is a old volcano they think last erupted in the early 1820s. So that's what we're gonna be hiking up, is an old volcano. And right here what we're walking on is the cinder from the volcano. All right, here's our first real glimpse at the Cinder Cone we're gonna be hiking up. You can actually see the trail kind of going around the side of it. I'm scared. That looks awesome. There's a lady going up it right now. I wonder if they can tell how steep it is.
Get the two at the top of the curve.
We're taking a second to appreciate this last bit of shade before we take on this hill and potentially die. It's like you take a step, but you slide right back where you were. There's Mount Lassen, so we're going to be attempting to hike tomorrow to the summit. It says recommended snowshoes or some kind of crampons that helps you walk in snow, but I think we're just going to push our luck. I think this might be the top. This is crazy. Whoa, that is sick. at, baby?
I don't know how you're running.
You just slide with it.
I know, but I've almost about pushed my ankle just sliding. Sliding out.
And that's why we get started earlier. You see all those people heading up when we were coming down? We got about 1.5 miles back to the vehicle. We're gonna head back to camp, check on the animals. We have another hike planned this evening.
Luckily, it's not above ground.
Yep.
So it won't be so hot.
But that's all we'll say for now. Until then, we'll see you back at camp. We made it back to camp.
Hey, the spaghetti, what I'm doing? What are you doing?
All right, we made it back to camp. I'm gonna show you guys around. Pretty nice little spot. Only like 10 miles from the national park entrance. Come on, Eddie, let's show them the creek. Let's show them the creek. Got a nice little trail down to the creek. But yep, just a campsite. About to get some lunch, refuel a little bit, and then hit another trail in a little while. All right, you guys, we just made it to our second hike of the day. We're at Lassen National Forest Subway Cave. It's an old lava tube. It's only 1/3 of a mile, so. Got our headlamps. Get your headlamp on, baby. Let's go. Dang, that's a big opening. There's 2 openings.
Feel that cool air.
It instantly drops like 20 degrees. This is awesome. It is chilly down here. It's massive.
You can go both. Somebody lost something. It looks like their underwear. Look at this floor. That is creepy how the water's like coming through.
So this is just a little offshoot of that main lava tube. Holy crap, literally. All right, we finished it. That was super short, but very cool. That was by far the biggest lava tube we've been in before.
It's only a third of a mile.
The tallest, definitely not the longest, but the most wide open lava tube. That was pretty cool. Now we get to walk on top of the tube to go back to the vehicle.
Well, that wraps it up for today. See you guys in the morning.
Let go, baby.
Let's get it.
It's 6 o'clock on the dot.
Lassen Peak,
Well,
here we come.
That's Florida time. Let me see
It's
this.
5:58.
Where's your phone? Oh, 5:58. And the day has begun. Second people here, let's go. Oh, all right, let's do this.
I'm trying to walk into the ice.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Winter hazards exist. Lassen Peak Trail is partly snow covered with numerous icy spots. Winter travel equipment such as skis, snowshoes, ice axe, and crampons are recommended.
Whoops.
Well, the trail's 5 mile loop, so 2.5 to the top. It's got 2,000 feet elevation gain. Yeah, inside the truck it said it was 40 degrees. That's down here at the bottom, so imagine as soon as we get a little higher on this mountain, on this volcano, it's gonna be much colder, especially with the wind. But we doing it, baby.
We doing it.
Cheers. Lassen Peak, or Lassen Volcano. This is what the whole national park is based on. Good.
We're almost there.
0.5 to the top. made it.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
It's our highest summit to date by 500 feet of elevation. We made it to the top of Lassen Peak, top of Lassen Volcano. It says this is the summit where we're at, but that looks like it might be the true summit, so I think we're gonna try to make our way there. This is getting pretty sketch. It's getting very loose. Oh! About fell off the whole mountain. Not really. I did stumble. Okay, the real summit. Now this is the feeling. Yes sir. This is the survey site right here. That means you really made it. You see that? That means you really made it. All right, we have started to make our way down. Check out the parking lot now compared to this morning. We made it. There's the Uber right there. All right, you guys, you already know what's next. We're about to hit the campsite, get our grub on. We starving. We'll see you there. All right, you guys, that wraps it up for our time here in the Lassen Volcanic National Park. We spent a few days here. It's been a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So much so that it seems like you were here hiking with us. But we're getting up out of here. Until the next video, peace.